Welcome. You've just seen the start of the intro where you saw this room with lights all installed. Now, this kit, because this is the start of the video of the unboxing, this kit is a set of lights. There are 8 4-foot tubes, and I purchased these off Amazon. They cost me £80, albeit a penny. And if you want to purchase them, please look at my Amazon Associates link below where you can actually purchase these off Amazon. But what are you getting? You're getting 8 tubes with the 6000K light, so it's a bright white light. And the beauty of this kit is each tube could actually be connected together to make one continuous tube length if you required. Now there's 8 tubes in here. I'm planning, or as you've seen on the video, to get a light down at the bottom, a light behind the camera and lights on the side, so I can do a little bit of a square stroke rectangle effect. Now what do you get in the kit? You obviously get an instruction book. Please read that. And I'm going to say to you now, don't do an electrical work unless you're a competent electrician or you've turned all the electrics off first. For the purpose of this video, I'm not dealing with any electrics. My electrician will be wiring these up when they are actually fitted in place. So that said, what do you get? Let's get this fitting kit out of the way. You're getting 8 tubes, 8 fluorescent tubes, shall we call it. Let's get them out of the box. And here they are, they're still all wrapped up. There's 4 this side, hope you can see that. 4 that side, and they're all individual at 4-foot lengths. They're on an aluminium base which clip into place when you put the clips where you want them. These just clip in and out. So they're the lights. Can you see that? 4 foot long. I'll put that down. And this is the fitting kit you get with it. You get 8 of these tails with a male. It goes a male and a female connection. These have got the open-ended wires there. Let's get that out and show you. Which has got the earth, the live and the neutral in place. As you can see there, hope you can see that on the camera. You've got your brown, you've got your blue, and you've got your yellow. So you've got your earth, your live and your neutral. Can you just see that? Hopefully getting in close there. You've got 8 of those with the male end. You can just see that. That connects into the actual light fitting. You get the fitting kit, which is the metal. Let's get these out to show you. They come with the screws, the metal fittings there. Can you just see that? That's what your light will actually clip into. There is also a screw with that, and as well you do get the connector, which is a male and a female connection, which allows you to actually put all the tubes all together if you want to make that long strip light. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be marking out the ceiling where I want to actually have all these fitted. I do have a laser liner so I can get a straight line. I will be putting these little brackets in place. I believe there's 2 per light fitting. Once I've got them in place, I will clip the lights all where I will clip all the lights together how I want them, ready for the electrician to hardwire them up tomorrow. So bear with me, I will show you what they're all like when they're actually clipped and in place. So there we have it, everybody. I've connected all these up now and just done a temporary connection to actually get it turned on. Now when my electrician comes, he will actually tidy that cabling and connection junction box up and make it all neat and safe. But for now, I've just done the 3 wires together in a connection box on a clip, you know what I mean. I'll show you in a minute. But getting back to these lights, what I've done, above my head I've got 3 strips, and the strips I said about 4 foot, they're just slightly under 4 foot. I've connected 3 strips. Let's get you off the camera. I've connected 3 strips up together. You can see that all the way, so it's a continuous light. Yeah. And when I come to the ends, I've just got a single tube. I'll spin you around so you can see the continuous light all the way down there. And there's the single tube there. Now, measuring it out, what I did, I've virtually come off the wall by 3 feet, just under a metre. And I've done 3 foot, see there, 3 foot from the edge to the light, used the laser line, which you've seen in the actual video footage, and got a straight line across the ceiling. I will then just go around now and just neaten up the space in between the light at the end on the corners. But for me, this room now as a studio for YouTube has got proper natural light. And if I can just step out a bit further through the door, can you see that? I've got I don't want to say a ring of fire, it's a It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle of light above my head, if you can just see me, and I'm well impressed. For £80 off Amazon, I don't think that's a bad lighting setup for a garage stroke workshop like I'm in here. So all in all, really pleased. I'll just bring you across to see my temporary connecting up is just there, which my electrician will sort out tomorrow. But all in all, very pleased. Watch the videos at the end. Thanks for supporting the channel. And again, if you are interested in purchasing anything like this, have a look in my Amazon storefront, which there will be a link below. Catch you on the next one.